we've had a very busy show. It's been fascinating, the diversity of people that have come and spoken to us. When I say diversity, I'm talking about applications. People are looking at ceramic printing, decor printing, textile printing, as well as graphics, labels, and so on. So for me, it's been actually very, very useful to get a lot of different people's feedback. What we're seeing, of course, is the spread of inkjet into more and more print applications, which is very good news for us. What's interesting, talking to some people earlier, we were talking about the fact that wide format is becoming narrower. If you look at some of the things that are here at this show, we're seeing label presses, so narrow format, for example, but I was also saying that we're also seeing narrow going wider. So you're seeing wide format machines being used for applications that would traditionally be narrow, like label printing, and then people are cutting them up. So, there's cross-fertilization, if that's the right term, in both directions. Well, I mean, I've talked about evolution versus revolution before, and this show is themed around evolution. The wide format graphics market is pretty mature, but I still see that there are pockets of revolution, of the fast disruptive change. But clearly, most of the views of this show has been that it's been fairly steady, incremental growth and change. One thing I have said, though, of course, is revolution is only over until the next revolution occurs, and it's probably just a matter of time before a revolution occurs. Actually, Rob, one of the things that I want to mention, we talked earlier in the week about the evolution study. What was very interesting about that, and I encourage everybody to get hold of copies of that and look at those case studies. What they showed was the way that inkjet is being used in conjunction with traditional print processes, offset, screen, and so on. And again, it's about being complementary. So that people are evolving, new techniques, new ways of using digital alongside analog. And again, that's opening up wider application. So again, another exciting opportunity for inkjet. Yeah, I mean, what we did was we decided to have a little bit of fun with how we presented inkjet this time. I compared the development of inkjet over the years to the development of the motor car. And, we were looking at really the parallels. So I'm comparing how an internal combustion engine compares to how an inkjet printhead actually fires a drop. We're just looking to have a bit of fun and to make it easily accessible. We set out to make inkjet easy for people, easy to understand and easy to use.